Welcome to the project Women Safety Device. So in this project we are using Arduino Uno main controlling device of the project, and this is the panic button, and these two are the buzzers, and this is 16:2 LCD display, and this is GPS module, and this is GSM module, and this is the 5 volts distribution board which can take the 5 volts DC from this adapter, and it is equally divided 5 volts DC to the all modules. So let us see the demonstration. Here we can see welcome to the project, and here we can see latitude and longitude values are 0. Why? Because we are keep the kit in room. So if you keep the kit under the sky view, here we can get the latitude and longitude values, and here we can see the LED, continuous LED indication. So when the GPS modules get the signal, here we can see the continuous LED indication if the sensor get the signal. So then only we can get the latitude, longitude values. This is panic button. So when she is in under panic situation, so when she press the button, so then microcontroller take the location from GPS module, and it will send the location details along with latitude and longitude values and alert SMS to the predefined mobile number with the help of GSM module. So let us see the but first we should insert the SIM card into the GSM module. Like this only we should insert the SIM card into the GSM module. Here we can see GSM module blinks fastly. So when the module get the signal, this LED blinks slowly. Okay, so the GSM module got signal. Now I kept the here we can see can get the latitude longitude values from GPS module. Will shows us an LCD display. So when the person press the panic button, here we can see emergency alert. So message sending. Here we can see the system when make a call to the predefined number and SMS so we can get the SMS, emergency SMS along with the location from this GPS module. Here we can see emergency, I am at location. So thank you for watching demo.